Today, Oklahoma is experiencing a high fire danger during multiple red flag warnings in the western part of the state. But fires can pop up anywhere in Oklahoma due to winds and humidity. Battalion Chief from the Norman Fire Department, Danny Attaway, said here is what to avoid to decrease your fire risk.
Things to remember during high fire danger days: no outside burning of any kind. If welding outside, watch for embers. Don't throw cigarettes outside. If you're hauling a trailer, watch for any chains that may be dragging. Avoid parking the vehicle on dried grass, and look out for any ignition source that may set off a fire. If you see a fire or smell smoke, make sure you report it immediately.
The fire risk is a 1 out of 5 in central and east Oklahoma.